How to add longer videos to Messenger Story. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guide, and in this guide video I'll show you the way on how you can upload longer videos to your Facebook Messenger Story. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now let's say that you have a particular video. In my case, I'll just open the Messenger app, and let's say I want to upload a particular story, and let's say this is a 37 seconds video. If I want to upload this, it will ask me to crop it to mostly 20 seconds at the very least. So as you can see, this is a 37-second long video. I want to upload the full size, but it will ask me to chunk it down. Now what we will do is, what can we do in order to send and add longer videos to our Facebook Messenger story? So instead, what we will do is we will just go ahead and open up any of the chats over here. We will go to a particular chat page and just tap on the photos icon at the bottom. Select the video that you want to upload to your story. Don't worry, we are not actually going to send them at all. That is not what we are looking for. Instead, what we will do is, after you select that particular video which you want to add to your story, tap on the edit button over here. Once you tap on the edit button, now this is basically a full length video that we have. It is not asking us to crop. Now from here, what you have to do is you just need to tap on the Your Story button over here at the bottom left corner. Now when you added this to your story, it is going to be uploaded in the full format without actually cropping this. So I'm sure this is going to work for you. There's really no catch. Maybe Facebook Messenger is going to fix this in the future, but so far it's working just perfectly fine. So let me just go ahead and check whether or not it's actually uploading to my story. So I'll just come back. I'll come back again, I'll come back to the People's tab, I'll refresh it. As you can see, the story has been added. Now it may take some time to upload depending upon the duration of a video, as you could see. And after you've uploaded it, most likely it is going to be in a full length, and it is not going to chunk it down into 20-second format. This is how you can add longer videos to Facebook Messenger story. This may or may not work in the future, but so far it's working just fine. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, then simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.